Ashley here from hearthookhome.com, and today we are going to learn how to crochet the single crochet. The single crochet is one of the most basic crochet stitches. If you are brand new, this tutorial is for you. So I have gone ahead and done a chain here. You can find my tutorial for a crochet chain also on hearthookhome.com or on my YouTube channel. So to make a single crochet, you're going to find the second chain from your hook. So you never count the one that's actually on your hook. You always start with the first stitch here. And your chains always look like a little V. So you've got the right side here and then the left side here. So this is 1 and this is 2. So I'm going to hold this with my thumb here, my left thumb, so that you can see this stitch here. You are going to insert your hook into that stitch. I like to go into the back bar here just to rotate it. You can go into the front one, or you can go into this one, or you can go into the back one like I am going to do. Totally up to you. Until you learn how you're comfortable with this stitch, then do whatever is easiest. So I've got my hook, I've got my yarn, I've got my second chain, and I'm ready to make my single crochet. I'm going to insert my hook from front to back under that one loop. I'm going to yarn over, so go behind the yarn with your hook, snag it, hook it, and pull it through just that one loop. So now you've got 2 loops on your hook. In order to complete your single crochet, you're going to yarn over, so make your hook go to the back of the yarn again, hook it, and pull it through both of those loops. And that is a single crochet. We're going to insert our hook into the next. You can see here, this is the one that we just worked. So this is our next open stitch right here. So I'm going to insert my hook under that bar. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to snag that yarn and hook it, and I'm going to pull it through only that first loop. Try not to pull this too tight. It takes practice, but try not to pull it too tight. So now that you've got your 2, you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook again and pull it through both of those. So that is another single crochet made. Now we're going to go into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now that you've got your 2, you're going to yarn over and pull through those 2. Go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So we've got 3 stitches left. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go into this one here, make a single crochet, the last one, and now we've got a row of single crochet stitches. Aren't they cute? I love this yarn color too. It's beautiful dusky purple. To start your next row of single crochet, you're going to chain 1. And I remember that because it's a single crochet, so I'm going to chain 1 single chain. Now I'm going to turn the work so that I'm looking at the other side. You can see here that there are holes all along, and you're looking at this top hole here, and then this one here, 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 and then this one here. So we're going to do the same exact thing that we were doing, where you insert your hook into the next stitch. When I insert, I want to make sure that I'm getting both of these top loops. So I've got both sides of the V. Now I'm going to hook my yarn like I've been doing. I'm going to pull it right on through that stitch. So now that I've got my 2 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over and pull through those. And that's single crochet. So I'm going to single crochet to the rest of this row, and I will be finished with this single crochet. My last stitch of the row, I'm going to grab both sides of this V. Your turning chain is always going to be a little differently shaped just because of the nature of where it sits. So just make sure you get both loops of that outside stitch. And here we have a lovely little single crochet swatch. And that is all there is to the single crochet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.